Hi everybody, it's Miles here. This is my 2012 BMW F30. Recently I've been having problems with my air conditioning. There was noise coming out of my the interior of my cabin when I put the air conditioning on full blast. It didn't happen before, it did now. So I took it apart. This is where it's located. Okay, you can see in there's your fan. Now what I took out of it was leaves. Oh, there it is, leaves out of it. It's got no mesh. I don't know why BMW hasn't put mesh to keep all the leaves and other things, debris away, but it doesn't matter. I cleaned it out. Yeah, now I've got no problems. I turned it on, there is no noise, everything is fine. So I'm going to show you how to put it back together. I did take it apart. It was easy. All I needed was a 10 mil. Okay, that's what you need, a 10 mil, and you need a 10 mil socket. Okay. I thought I needed screwdrivers just in case. Yes, I did actually need a screwdriver for this. This is the bugger that I had problems with. He goes right at the end up here. Okay, I'll show you later when I put it together. And also you need one of these buggers. Okay. Don't ask me what size it is, I have no idea, but it's for these buggers up here. Okay, and that's all you need. So let's get back to putting it back together. Okay, just be careful with this one. It's very hard. If it falls out, it's very hard to put back. You have very limited finger space, so make sure when you're putting it back, it's at least halfway or something, so you don't have problems later on. Okay, now it's time for your 10mm socket extension and your socket wrench. There's this bugger here, the same one as the one on the side that we were just putting in. Now all you have to do is just push this plastic up a bit. Tighten it with your hands, with your fingers as much as you can. Socket wrench. Okay, that's tight. Okay, now we're going to put this plastic back. Now the one on the side, you have one on the side, just lift it up a bit so you can get this in properly. There's another plastic near the windscreen, you have to put it underneath it. If you don't put it underneath, it won't sit properly. Just push it in. Alright. Grab your Allen key. Start tightening. Make sure they sit properly. Turn it to your left or right if you're doing it up the top. One more. Alright, now it's time to put this bugger back in there. Move this plastic that you have on the side, just lift it up a bit. Put it in that hole that's up there and push it in. And that's it. You should hear it click. Okay, that's it. Now just clear all this so you can put your plastic cover back on. Okay, you got a clip here, just click it in. Make sure it goes smoothly under there, in here, under this rubber. You don't want air or water going through. Okay, just get your 10mm sorry about that, hit my head on the camera. Just get your 10mm and just turn it. Okay, don't turn it all the way, just turn it until it clicks, and that's it. Another one here. Okay, just check everything that's okay. Everything's lined up. You're ready to turn on your air conditioning. You should have no issues. Thanks for watching. As you can see, that's all you need to take it off. Okay, you don't have to go all the way. Take this plastic off. Just got to undo them. There's a little clip here. See? And just push it back in. Put it under the rubber. Make sure it's all under the rubber. Okay. And then when you take all that off, you've got that plastic to take off underneath. And there's that. Sorry. And there's that screw that we had to take out of. Take that bolt out. and there's another one underneath there when you take it all off. Thanks for watching.